Open your Binance account, go to Trade, then go to P2p. Now, in the P2p page, make sure you're in the Buy tab, then select the coin you want to buy. In this tutorial I will buy USDT, so I select USDT. You can see on the left the list of the sellers, the available amount they are selling and the limit amount they allow per transaction. Now, depending on your location, you will see the seller's price per USDT in your local currency and from the lowest to the highest order. In the payment method, select what payment method you want to use. In my case, I will use Gcash because it's readily available on my end. Once you select your payment method, then tap Confirm. It then now shows sellers with the payment method you selected. You can also use filters to only show sellers who have an available amount of USDT you want to buy. Here I will enter the amount I want to buy. In this case, I will enter 3,000 in my local currency, then select Gcash as payment method. You can also enable or disable only show ads from merchant. In my case, I prefer to disable it. Then, tap Confirm. Now it only shows sellers who have an available amount of USDT you want to buy. Once you select the seller to where you buy USDT, tap the green Buy button on the right to proceed to the next page. Here enter the amount you want to buy, then tap on Buy button to proceed to the next page. Now, before you tap on the Make Payment button, make sure that the seller is online by going to the chat page, then send a message to check if he's online. If not, then wait until he is online. In my case, the seller is online, so I can now tap on the Make Payment button to proceed to the next page. Here, you can see the seller details to where you will send your payment. Make sure you will send your payment and tap on the Transferred Notify Seller button before the timer above runs out. Once you've done sending your payment, you can now tap on the Transferred Notify Seller button so that the seller will get notified. You can also return to the chat page to inform the seller that you have already sent your payment. Once the seller confirms your payment, he will release the USDT you purchased and it will go automatically to your funding wallet. Then you will also get notified that the seller has already released the fund. Now that the seller has released the USDT, if you are satisfied with the transaction, you can give the seller a positive rating by tapping the Done button, then the Close button, then the Positive button, and that's all. If you enjoyed watching my video, please show your appreciation by clicking the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Thank you for watching.